Hi student, today we are going to see Social of Standard 5th from Term 2. The lesson we are going to discuss is Asian excavation. In this lesson, we are going to learn about how the early humans lived and the things they are used. Come, let us move to the video session.
Social Unit 1. The lesson name is Ancient Excavation. Let us see the glossary in this lesson. First one, archaeologist. A person who learns about human history through excavation. That means the person is studying about the digging the earth. That is called excavation. Next one, excavation. Digging the earth to find buildings and tools made long ago. That means if you dig the ground, you can find many particles. That is called excavation. Unearthen. Find something in the ground by digging. If you dig the ground, if you find something or some tools or particles, that is called unearthen. Excavation. Excavation is a controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of the earth. All forms of archaeological excavation requires great skills and careful preparation. Excavation can be classified based on the purpose like planned, accidental or rescue. Most excavation are properly pre-planned and the purpose is to find buried evidence from the site. For example, excavation means if you digging the ground we can find many particles like rod, iron, steel, etc. If you want to plant a tree, if you dig the ground you can find many particles. The same like in the ancient period they have find out many particles like skulls, human skulls, animal skulls, etc. That is called excavation. Archaeological site is any place where human activities are taking place. For example, if you are digging the ground, you can get many particles. Is the place where we are digging that is called archaeological site. Let us see where the pyramids are found. When the pyramids were excavated, it was found that the small pyramids were made for the queens. They found huge tombs with superstructure which were built for the burial of the royal family. Skeletons found in the pyramid gave information about the average height and age of the people. Pyramids were made only for the queens because if they are died, it is a tomb for them. The royal families buried their dead bodies in the pyramid. It is a tomb for the royal families. That is called pyramid. Indus civilization is also called Harappan civilization. The another name for Indus civilization is Harappan. This site was excavated in the early period that is 20th century. In this century, they have found many baked bricks. When they are digging the ground, they have found many bricks. The city had a well planned, proper sanitation system, proper well and way to the direct waste to the closed drains. In the olden days, they are used the wastewater to be drained properly. They were advanced granaries, great bath and protective walls. It was found that the city and the civilization were advanced for their time. In that time, it was a they have a great bath and it will be protective walls. It protected by the walls of both the sides. Let us see some archaeological site in India. First, Adichanallur. In Adichanallur, we can find many archaeological site and the place. Among the artifacts unearthed, they found many pottery, a variety of kinds like redware and blueware. The pots, if you seen, it will be red in color and black in color. And they were found many iron particles, swords, arrows, beads, and gold ornaments. They also find bronze objects like domestic animals and wild animals like tiger, antelope, and elephant have been unearthed. That means they all represented by the bronze object. The people were skillful in making pottery in stone as well as in wood. Kiradi is also a archaeological site which is found in Shivagangai district at Tiruppuvanam Taluk. Excavation has produced many evidence for this bricks building. In this Kiradi, we have found many pottery items, beads of glass, quartz, pearls, gold ornaments, as well as steel, iron rods, etc. The Romans artifact found the site add to the evidence of ancient Indo-Roman trade relation. That means in the Roman period it's also found. Arikemedu is also an archaeological site is situated near Pondicherry. The excavation revealed that it was a coastal village. It's near Pondicherry and it was traded with Roman people. It was found in the ancient period. An archaeological found many Roman lamps, glasses, stones, beads, gems, cutlery, crockery, wine container, etc. In this period, they have found many particles. He also noted that for the local fishermen of the village, the antiques were new. They have found many new particles in this period. Children, let us think. Some dinosaur eggs were discovered at Sendurai in Aryalur. In the ancient period, we can find many dinosaurs, but in nowadays we cannot find any dinosaur or the eggs has been there because all were destroyed by the human beings. The animals itself fully demolished and destroyed by the human beings. We have seen many archaeological sites in India. Is you also should think of it and go for the search what are the things we can find from the digging the ground, and you can study about the archaeologist. Archaeologist is the very good job which you can find many particles from digging the ground. Let us recap what are the things we have studied in this lesson. Yes, we have studied about excavation, archaeologist, pyramids, Indus civilization, where the Adichanallu present, Keeladi and Arikemedu. These are the important excavation sites which were found in Tamil Nadu. Yes, I hope you all understood about the lesson ancient excavation. Thank you, students.